Rodri is a Spanish professional footballer who plays as a defensive midfielder for Premier League club Manchester City and captains the Spain national team. In 2026 FIFA World Cup, he led Spain to the World Cup title and was awarded the Golden Ball as the tournament's top player. At the 2026 FIFA World Cup, Rodri has continued to anchor Spain's midfield at the elite level, helping the team reach the final. Spain won the 2026 World Cup final against Argentina 1-0 after extra time, with Rodri earning the Golden Ball as the tournament's best player, adding a World Cup title to his Euro and Ballon d'Or honors. He is widely regarded as one of the best midfielders in the world, known for his exceptional passing range, tactical intelligence, composure, physicality, and ability to control games. He joined Atletico Madrid's youth academy in 2007 from Rayo, but was released in 2013 due to concern about his physical development. Rodri progressed through Spain's youth terms, winning the UEFA European Under-19 Championships in 2015 and debuted for the senior side in 2018. He has featured the major tournament including UEFA Euro 2020 and the 2022 FIFA World Cup, UEFA Euro 2024. Spain winners named player of the tournament, the 2023 UEFA Nations League winners best player, and the 2026 World Cup. He became Spain's captain and a central figure in their success, blending defensive solidity with progressive passing. In July 2019, Rodri joined Manchester City for a reported $62.8 million release clause. Under Pep Guardiola, he evolved into arguably the finest defensive midfielder for his generation. Under Pep Guardiola, Rodri became indispensable as a City's midfielder anchor, helping the club win the Premier League for consecutive times from 2021 to 2024. The 2020-23 season was a career high point. City completed a historic treble, winning the Champions League for the first time, with Rodri scoring the winning goal in the final and being named the tournament's best player. He has amassed a substantial trophy collection at City, including multiple FA Cups, League Cups, a UEFA Super Cup, and the FIFA World Cup and the Community Shields. He is approaching 300 appearances for the club, starting the vast majority of matches he featured when fit. His 2024-25 season was disrupted by a serious knee injury that sidelined him for a lengthy spell from autumn 2024, with his return in 2025 carefully managed in terms of minutes played.